I don't know if you've noticed, but these pushpin maps have become pretty expensive. So today I wanted to do a little DIY video on how you can make one at home. Okay, let's gather up the stuff that you'll need for this project. I got a pretty large board. This one is 48 inches by 36 inches. Pro tip on the bulletin board is you have to buy a bigger size than the map print because, in fact, this one is advertised as 48 by 36 and it's under those dimensions, including the frame. So if you were to get a bulletin board that is 36 by 24 and your map is also 36 by 24, that's not going to work. So this one, I got a 48 wide by 36 inches high bulletin board. I got it from Amazon. It was around $60. So that's the basis of what we're going to use for our board, and then we're going to apply a map to that. Okay, I've made a level line here at the bottom. You can really hardly make it out even standing right in front of it, but it does give me a little guideline of how to what to align the map with. So this map right here is actually it's 24 by 36. It's a really common poster size, so chances are good. This is a really common size that you'll find out there in the wild. This one is from our shop, Academia Maps. It's a great map, and in fact, now that I'm lining it up on here, I think that it might look a lot better centered on the page. So I think what I'm going to do is quickly just measure how far we gotta get this aligned here. So let's see, I'm just gonna make a rough adjustment and then just get it level. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do with that. 1, 2, 3, 4.5 right there. Okay, let's see, 4.5. Okay. Okay, we're going to try again with our level line here. Where'd it go? Can't see it. Okay, so now with the repositioned level line here, I'm just going to line it up there, and I'm just visually centering this. I'm not being too picky about it. You can get super technical if you want to, but I'm not gonna. Okay, so here we go. Got the thing pretty much on there. So what I'm gonna do now is just use some pins to fasten the corners of it, and then it's basically ready to go. Okay, push pins here. We're just gonna put one in each corner. I'm using some pretty commonplace push pins like you probably have in your junk drawer at home. So this is very DIY thing. The only thing that I actually bought, because we already have the map, the only thing that I actually bought was the corkboard. So it's, you know, all in all, it's pretty inexpensive setup to get yourself a push pinnable map like this. And, you know, these things can cost hundreds of dollars for a fancy framed canvas one, but this is a way to get you pinning right away. You can start planning your travels and get to it. So now we've got our paper map pinned down to the board here, and there's lots of room for extra stuff. You want to do travel pictures or what have you, you can do that. I'm going to put a pin right where we are in Seattle here, because this is home for me. Boom. Okay. And let's put one in Los Angeles, where I was born. There you have it. DIY pushpin map. Proportions are a little funny, but lots of room for your travel pics. Lots of room for your, you know, pinning up stuff. Pretty sweet. Well, I hope you liked the demo, and I hope that this helps you build one of these.